Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National Vice President jong ka National People's Party uba Prestone Tunsong habajubab hakabayday bat ka jingong jong Amit Shah bala da ka BJP ka wan hakabor kintung da ka Special Force Task kaban kli daw nong bishar bala syong tat jong ka Supreme Court ban tokit ya ka bamsap haka jela ula ongi Pdiang ya Kano ka Jingtohkit la ka day da ka CBI ru ula benrap ru bamanla usnem ka CAG report but yakani kila wanra hapo ka yengdor bar thau an ha ka babaro ki dikhot ki yo yakani lingba ka Assembly Secretariat tang ban su ong bagin wanra yakani ngin wanra yakatai kam long ka badai ula ong ru ba na kalyang ka seng NPP lada ka jingkno de kini kinong elam jong ki seng san perthai ha ka por election na kalyang ka seng ru kan sa shimkhia yakani hadin ka artarik unai leber arhajar arpulai hadin balada banthau ya ka sarkar.
Let me tell you, we are ready, be it CBI, be it ED, we are ready to do that. Because see, just to make a mere allegation to anybody, I mean, that is not the end of the story. Since you have an evidence, you can substantiate the allegation, it is very easy to hand over to the agency. Independent agency are there. From our side, we are ready that. And number two, let me just tell you one thing. Every year, annually, we used to have CAG report. And this CAG report is, ultimately laid on the floor of the House, where all the members get a copy. And not only that, ultimately, even from the state government, through the Assembly Secretariat, they referred these issues to the Public Accounts Committee. PAC also is there. So therefore, what I'm trying to tell you is mere allocation, just for the sake of saying that we will bring in this, we'll bring in that. I think it is not at all the end of the story. So that's what I'm saying. Even our party, if the allocation made by these political parties during election, let me just tell you, we will take up this very, very seriously after the 2nd of March, after we take over the government again.
But you withdrew general consent to CBI. You prevented CBI to come here. What is your response?
What is that? No, we did not prevent.
You have withdrawn the general consent to be given by the state government.
No, but that was not only us. That was long time back. It is not during our term. That was done way back in 2010, 2011. Okay, so see, that stands till now. But you see, what we wanted to tell you is this. There is a procedures. The office procedures is there. If the situation arises, means they need to get the nod from the respective state government. Then they will say, go ahead. That we don't have any problem. If need be, it can be done, it can be issued. NOC can be given, why not? It can be done. So therefore, what I'm trying to tell you here, if you talk about this issue, corruption, most corrupted government, they said, why you talk now? Why not 1 year before? Or why not 1.5 years before? You could have done that. And then you could have also threatened the government that we will withdraw. You just threatened withdrawing. Even UDP, they did that. They said we wanted to withdraw, but again, no, we don't want to withdraw because President's rule is coming. See, these are the issues which I'm telling you. It's only a political game made to create good impression from the voters. That's it. But let me tell you one thing. The voters are now wiser than me or than anybody else. They know themselves whom to vote. Whom should they vote? Whom to listen? Whom not to listen? I'm very sure on the 2nd, we will see the result of that.
Uba Prestone ula therting eru ya ka UDP ya ka jinglong arsap jongka ha ka bayaday bat ka MOU. Nakaliang uba Prestone ula ong manlaki rai baki shim kilaya kren lang ha ki kinhon menteri. Amtang kata kilaya kren ru ha ka jingalang jong ki sengsan perthai. Ngikot ya ki district council but what ya ki seng bhalang. Ngilaya kren batki ngilapan pau ya ka ay kabakilaya kren haswa ban ya soy ya ka MOU. Kabalingo kalong bamenta ngimtip na ka ay kadaw haga manifesto jongka ki ong bakikwa ban pendam ya ka MOU bat kani kilale ya ka kam arsam ki pat ba ki tip ya ka ay kabakile.
What I'm saying, what a double standard are they? Such a measured politician, such a measured elected representative. I was also shocked because every steps taken, we consulted each and every partners in the cabinet, not only in the cabinet, even after before the MOU signed, we already called even the all political party meeting. We discussed with them. We call all the council. We explain to even the NGOs, called by CM and myself. We did discuss with all of them. We said these are the the arrangement made before we go to Delhi for signing of the MOU. That is very, very transparent. But now I really don't know why UDP in their manifesto they said we wanted to scrap the MOU. So they are playing a double standard way of thinking, way of of taking a decision. I am very sure people understand all this. It seems they are not clear. It seems all those parties, like TMC, they said we are going to scrap the MOU. These parties, I'm telling you, these political parties who wanted the MOU scrap means, I'm telling you very, very clearly, means they don't want solution to these pending issues of more than 50 years. So they want to go back to the old one, which I use the word status quo. So therefore these people, these political parties, I think people should not trust them. They should not trust them at all because they are not at all serious about the boundary.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kaboarding ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung du boarding ha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Kajingkular ka TMC na kabinta ka Meghalaya. Kajing pintik na ya kalaway bapranay. An ay jingarap khat ara jarting ka shisnam shaman na kilong yeng jong kikina ki bapuli yang ki school sarkar. Namar kata ka TMC kan ay shilak tali ki laptop shabaro ki higher secondary bar ki khna puli college ban krishan ya ka puli puthi ka baminta.
Hakane ka apnyo terek urempang, Shan ya ka sap jong pi haki artli ki sentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.